So now that we've got our pre-comp set up, let's go ahead and start working with our shape layer, and we'll create a background color that's going to go behind our text so we can read it. Let's go ahead and go up to the top, and we'll use this shape layer, and we're just going to work with a rectangle today. And then we'll draw out a rectangle over name here. So we'll do that just like so. So I'm just left click and drag and then release, and then I'll click off somewhere here to deselect that. I just click off in some blank space, and we'll come back and let's go ahead and select that layer, and we're gonna move it down below. So there we go. Now it's below our name layer. And go back to my selection tool, and I'm going to scale this and size this up. Whoops. Size this up again. Let's move that back down. If you make a mistake, don't forget Command Z. To change the shape of this, I'm going to double click on my shape layer, and now I'm just going to grab one of these points and just kind of do so. And if I click anywhere here, and I could move it around, just kind of finesse it a little bit. All I'm doing is grabbing one of these points and scaling it down a little bit, again using my selection tool, and that's not half bad. I don't mind that right there. So let's go ahead and keep that. Actually, make it a little bit wider. I lied. There we go. Looks good. So let's go ahead and do that again one more time. So with my shape layer selected, let's go ahead and you know what? We're gonna keep it simple. I like the size of that. I'm gonna select this rectangle, and just like we duplicated our text layer, I'm gonna hit Command D and create a second rectangle. Now you can't see it, but since we have our selection layer or selection tool selected, let's go ahead and just drag down, and again hold the shift key so it keeps the vertical position, or excuse me, the horizontal position. And now you can see there's two boxes, 1 and 2. And you can see rectangle 2, rectangle 1.